Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zahria if you don't know me, and in today's video I'm bringing you guys this doll Halloween look. Super simple, easy, affordable, last minute, and all of the above. I really was excited to bring you guys a Halloween look this year, even though people are probably not doing as much this year as we have in previous years, but I still have the Halloween spirit. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video, and of course subscribe if you like the content. And if you guys want to see how I got this Halloween doll look, then keep watching. Okay y'all, so I'm starting with my eyebrows done already. The first thing I'm gonna do is foundation. I'm gonna be using this Huda Beauty foundation, and it's in the shade Mocha, and I'm just gonna put that all over my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in. And also you guys, I'm putting the foundation on my eyes. All right, once my foundation is done, I'm gonna go ahead and do concealer. So this is the UOMA Woke concealer, and I'm gonna put that under my eyes. We're starting off this makeup look really normal, but don't worry, we're gonna get into the fun stuff in a second. And now I'm just gonna blend it in. So yeah, I'm just concealing everywhere that I would normally conceal. And now I'm gonna set my face using this Makeup Revolution Banana Deep powder, just like we would normally do when we're doing regular makeup, just because we got all these liquids, or I guess, yeah, liquids on our face. So we just wanna make sure everything is set into place. We don't want our makeup moving all over the place, you know? And I'm even gonna set my eyes just because I'm not wearing any eyeshadow or anything, so. And now we just wipe it all away because this stuff works so fast. Y'all remember when baking used to be popular? I mean, I guess it probably still is popular, but like, I just don't see the need for it. Like, powders work fast. They just come in and like take out all that additional moisture. So you really don't have to leave it on your face, you know? Now I'm using this Beauty Bakery brownie bar. I'm gonna use this to contour first, and then I'm gonna use this for blush. If you guys have been on my channel, then you know that this product is not new to my channel, but it's just so good. Like, what can I say? But yeah, so we're gonna contour first. Just a little bit of powder contour. I'm not going crazy. Just blending it in. And now we're gonna move on to the blush. When it comes to the blush, you guys, this is where you do kind of want to go crazy. I like to smile while I do it, so it's like right on my cheekbones. We're being a doll, so you know, we really want to overdo this part. Okay, so this is good, but I kind of want my blush to be a little bit more out there. So we're actually gonna go into this blush as well. This is by e.l.f. It's called Always Fiery. And I just have a feeling this blush is gonna give me what I need. Yes. You see the difference, y'all? Like, I don't know, this blush is just like, they were both looking kind of crazy, which is what we want, but like, now I'm just kind of taking a powder brush and kind of like rounding it out, because I really want it to be like closer to a circle shape, the blush. All right, so next we're going into Snazaroo face paint, and I'm gonna be using the white color. So I heard that if you're wanting to activate the paint, you have to like spray it first. So I have like my little mist bottle, which I don't know what's wrong with this bottle, because sometimes it mists, sometimes it doesn't. But anywho, we're gonna spray the paint so we can activate it. And then I'm just gonna take this small little like paintbrush. I actually got this set of paintbrushes. I don't even know where they all are, hold on. Okay, I believe this is all of them. And then these two sponges in my hand. I literally got all this for like $2. So if you guys are near Michael's, then definitely get you some of those. But yeah, so I'm gonna use this paintbrush actually, and I'm going to grab a little bit of the paint, and I'm gonna start putting it under my eyes, because we want to give the illusion that our eyes are bigger than they are, because we're like being a doll, you know? And doll eyes are supposed to be like real big, so that's what we gonna do. Oh, I just poked myself in the eye. Be careful and don't do that. I'm doing it little by little because obviously we don't want to mess up our makeup, because that would be annoying. So I'm just trying to like be careful, you know? And then I'm gonna go to the other side and do the exact same thing that I did on the first side, and I'm gonna try to make them as even as possible. That's probably gonna be the hardest part about this look, is making it look the same on both sides. Okay, so we got our eyes done. So now I'm gonna move on to eyeliner. This is the eyeliner that I'm using. It's by Marc Jacobs. I'm gonna outline the bottom of my eye. I'm actually gonna get a closer mirror for this because it would just be easier. So yeah, you're just gonna outline the bottom of your quote unquote eye. Now that we have our outline, we're basically gonna do the same thing again. Now we're just gonna make bottom eyelashes. So we're gonna draw them on again with that eyeliner, and yeah, we just make eyelashes. So I'm trying to make it kind of like a V shape and then fill it in, because eyelashes are gonna get smaller as we get to the bottom. So that's kind of what I'm doing. Okay, so now we have our eyelashes, they're done. And now I'm gonna do some like freckles because I feel like dolls be having freckles. So same thing with the eyeliner. And I'm kind of pressing a little hard because I want them to be kind of big. Okay, now I'm going into my lash book and I'm gonna choose like the biggest lashes I could find. It's between these two. I'm gonna go with Erica because they both look the same. So I'm just gonna pick one. My lashes are on. I can't believe this was in a 25mm lash book. Like, they're way longer than all the rest of my lashes. I wouldn't even wear these on like a regular day. Like, it would have to be Halloween. Like, but anyway, I'm glad I had them because it goes with the look. Now I'm gonna move on to lips. It's gonna be real easy. So we're just gonna take any old lip liner pencil. This one is from the beauty supply store. And we're gonna outline where our lips are gonna be. You can overline if you want to as well. Okay, so once we have our lips outlined, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my foundation, the same one I used for my whole face, on the back of my hand. And I'm just gonna take a little brush. And I'm putting that on the outside of my lips so that it will blend into the rest of my face. So it looks like this little area right here is my lips and there's nothing else. So I'm putting foundation on the outside. And you'll see my real lips start to blend in with the rest of my face. And if you mess up your lip liner, here's where you can fix it. Now I'm just touching up that lip liner. So now I'm gonna do lipstick, and I'm using this NYX lipstick. It's called Tulls, T-U-L-S. I don't know how to say that, but that's the lipstick that I'm using, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my lips. I'm gonna still let the lip liner show because we still want to see that outline in the lips, if that makes sense. And if you mess up like I just did, you can always go back into your foundation and fix it. So this is it. This is the finished look. It probably looks so weird when I talk. Anywho, you guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys love how the look came out. I personally really like how it came out. I was so excited to bring a Halloween look to you guys. It was so hard for me to decide what I wanted to do, but I'm glad that I picked this one because I really like how it came out. This is a very simple, affordable look. Out of everything here, you probably have all of this at home, other than the white paint, which you can find at a Michael's for like $9. I really wanted to make this look really accessible for everybody, hence why I'm calling it a last minute Halloween makeup look. So yeah, I hope you guys love the look. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video, and of course subscribe if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.